Alright, so we're putting on the, installing the Blackstone Griddle. You got the right one? Is it the short one or the long one? Are you sure it's the short one? That's the long one?
Yeah.
Okay. Installing it over there. Good job. Ready to look at the directions. Okay, this piece right here.
Goes like this.
It goes like this. But we're doing it inverted, so it's going to go like that.
And
Okay.
then we can do that.
Exactly.
Okay.
There you go. Locking in.
Yeah, I think
Nice.
it's getting locked in.
We had a little mistake. This piece needs to go on this side because we got the propane tank over here. So we are gonna fix it. All right, and then this part goes on the other side. All right, ready? All right. So next step, we need to get the that thing with the cheer pin and the cotter pin over here. All right, I'll hold this, and then you lock him in.
Wait, which side does it matter?
No, it doesn't matter.
Okay.
As long as we're locked in. Okay, you got the cotter pin next. See the hole?
Does it go like there?
Yeah. Locked in. Maybe maybe turn a little bit like that, and then that way you can lock it in. Just one more click.
Is that good?
One more. Like that.
Like that? Okay.
Okay. A washer on the bottom and a washer on the top, and then the screw after that. Ready? Can you handle it?
Yeah, let me put this on first.
So one washer first. Good job. Got that. You want me to hold it? And then another washer.
And then the screw,
And the
right?
screw, yeah. And tighten, and then we'll use a screwdriver.
Ugh. Ugh.
Getting it?
No, it's too
A
hard.
little tricky? Alright, let me get in there.
I'll get the screwdriver.
Okay, got the screwdriver. So we got the tiny screwdriver, right? Not included. Because a big one would not fit under there good. And you're getting a good tighten in there. Nice. Good job, bud. So we're all finished. And what'd you discover?
That so when you're using it, you can do it. It can go out, but when you're not, it can go in like that.
Yeah. That's cool. Pretty cool. Paper towel holder retracts. Awesome.
And then these little bumps are probably for holding it.
Yep. Cool. Alright, step 5 has got to be the easiest of all the steps. All you gotta do is put on the knobs without dropping them. Alright, here we go. Throw these bad boys on. There we go. There's one. And as you can see, the rest go on the same.
Picture or video?
Yeah.
Picture.
Got it?
Is that good?
Good job.
It's pretty hard to like.
There we go. That's pretty good. Boom, right there. Maybe not all the way tight until we get the bottom ones in. We'll tighten them all up. There we go, we got a nice handle. All right, so what are we doing? We're installing these little shelf brackets. You got left and right, and you got 4 screws. All right, you know what to do? What's left?
Wait, is it going like this or this?
It's gonna be going like this, left. Like that.
Wait, where does it go like this?
Yeah, so that little big part goes over that screw that's already in there.
And then same for this one?
Yeah.
Do left first.
Okay, here's a screwdriver. I'll hold the bracket in for you, and you just tighten the screws, okay?
Okay.
It's alright. As long as you get one into... Okay, yeah, you got it. There you go. Good job. Alright, get the next one in. Might need to move this around a little bit to... Got it? Perfect. Yep. Great install. Perfect. All right, next is right. And now we're on the next side and pretty much the same thing, right?
Mm-hmm.
Get the left to the left. Put that first screw in there. Nice
Except
and-
that side is left and this side is left because it's opposite
Yeah.
sides.
The left is going to be on the opposite on this one because we're on the right. All right, there you go. Good job. All right, making some progress here. Step. We're just installing pretty much that washer and then that screw into this shelf. It's an easy one, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Yeah, it was pretty basic right there. All right, they're all on?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Step, just thread 2 step bolts into the lower ones. All right, you got it?
Mm-hmm. Can I get a screwdriver?
Yep, just do hand tight right now.
Actually, I think this is good. Yeah.
And then do
We'll
the
use a
next side.
screwdriver to tighten it.
Nice. All right, so we're just gonna repeat the process for the next shelf, right?
Mm-hmm.
All right.
This one's cooler.
It's got a magnet on it, it looks like.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Looks like they might have put it on right.
Okay, we'll just repeat.
Wait.
There we go. Do we just put the shelf on? You got it? Huh. Wow. That was easy. Good job.
And then it's easy.
And the next side. How's that go? Snap it on. All right. All right. You're gonna put that screw in there so it's secure and it won't fall off. Good job. Step is the grease little trap thing or the grease pole, and then show us how the shelf comes down for storage. Look at that. Cool.
Basically, this.
Well, that one's not ready yet. We haven't
Oh,
secured it yet. we gotta put those screws in right there, so that it won't fall off. All right,
And then
let's do
right
that.
here also.
Yeah,
Let's do it. I think I got it
you
here.
got it. Secure in the next one. Nice. Good job. All right, so that's so the shelf won't fall off when you fold it down. It's a pretty well built barbecue. We got lighters for every single burner.
No.
Every single burner. We got 60,000 BTUs on this thing, so
60,000.
should get pretty hot.
That's a
All right,
lot.
so we got the grease trap, or the grease bowl, removable when it fills up. We got this shelf secure. All right, continue to the next step. Whoa. Jeez. All right. So there's like 4 pins. They line in. Got them in? I got mine in. Next one.
This one's a little. Oh, I think we gotta put the front one in first.
Oh yeah.
Push it back.
Yeah. That one goes first.
No, pull it back. There you go.
Okay, we're the lid on the griddle, and we'll just do a quick vacuum. Remove the sticker. There's a big cooking area. All clean?
It's just, these things are getting too big. Alright, there we go.
Step, just put the bottle opener on. Pretty simple. Just grab your screw. And it comes with the nuts. Put on the back side. Okay. And the next one. Make sure we got the right way.
And that's it.
All right.
And you got your own very bottle opener.
Put the handle on. Got to unscrew the screws it came with. And put these on. Might be some kind of heat shield. Where that goes in like that. And underneath. Screw this in. Alright, we got that one. Put the screwdriver in there. Okay, and the next one over here. It's all nice and tight. Double check this side. Alright, I think we're good. Alright. Alright, this part's a little tricky. You gotta get this lined up in this, gotta kind of pull that up a little bit. Gotta get this around there and hook that in. And there we go. We had it a little too high at first. And we got it lowered to the right spot. It's this screw. That locks in. We got to tighten that down a little bit, and that will be secure. But that was a little challenging. All right, next we got the propane up. So we fire this bad boy up. All right, so that is secure. So this comes with a little propane holder, looks like. See how this works. Kind of hook it in there. That's pretty cool. That way the propane's off the ground. We can move it around a little bit. That's actually pretty handy. All right, now we just need to get a battery for this, so we can fire it up. All right, what do we need next? We got to put a battery in there. Doesn't come with a battery, but no big deal. It's got a spring on there, so you got to kind of push. Okay, you got it. Good job. All right.
I'm good.
All right, let's see. Let's turn the propane on. Ready? What we got? All right, on. Fire up one of these things. Do that. All right, here, gas. Turn that one on.
This way?
Push and turn.
Oh, push.
Okay, push the fire button. Ooh. That is looking like a nice flame.
Yeah.
I think that's gonna be a good breakfast tomorrow for you.
Mm-hmm.
What do you think Mom's gonna cook?
barbecue.
Like bacon and pancakes and...
Yeah, maybe. But we had those today.
All right. I'd say this was a pretty good, successful build.
Here's what it looks like at the end.
You got 2 burners on.
Mm-hmm.
Seems really powerful. I feel like you're gonna get pretty hot. Got a little mess to clean up here. All right, got any last words?
Bye, guys. See you next time. Peace.